really these little fairies, these little green people running around the place. Fairies are nature spirits, like, you know, they're there to protect nature, they're there to tell you when to grow, they're there to help you grow, you know.
Something has arrived from Ireland. I think it might be something from the Faerie Man, and I'm very excited. Is here to help me open it up so we can see. Title Deed of Enchantment. This document hereby declares the lawful ownership of an original Irish fairy house lovingly created on the magical Mangerton Mountain. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. Let's see. Oh, look. Stop it. Look how beautiful this is. That's incredible. Holy moly. Will you take it out? Look how beautiful this is. We're gonna come back. Look how sweet this is. And look, the door. Ooh. Look at the beautiful stone above the door and the windows. Pretty. Oh my goodness, this is so great. Thank you, Faerie Man.